All right, so the first thing I want to do is I want to take you guys online. And we're just going to look up some audio software. And as you can see, this can be some pretty costly software. And the one that we're going to be using is actually the Audacity, the free audio editor and recorder. You guys thought I was going to say that one, right? Yeah, right. I don't even have that. But we're going to do Audacity. Audacity is an awesome software where you can edit, record. You can do pretty much anything you would need to create your audio recordings. This is some great software, and the best thing about it is it's free. So you want to click over here to the download tab. If you're a Windows user, go ahead and click here. If you're a Mac user, don't worry, I won't hold it against you. Go ahead and click there. Then you want to do the recommended downloads. These are just going to be the most recent versions of Audacity. Go ahead and click there. Then you're going to click run, and you're going to go through the prompts. And within a few seconds, you'll have the software. I obviously didn't download Audacity because it's already on my computer, but you'll just go through the prompts and you'll have that. When you first open up Audacity, you'll get to this how to get help screen. You could click here if you don't want to see it again, but I always leave it up because you never know, you might want to get some help or get to the manual, and this already has that up for you, and it'll link right to the internet for you. So just go ahead and click OK to close that out. And if you look around here, it's your basic audio recording software.